A Cash App tax refund usually gets delayed when the IRS hasn't finished processing the return, the deposit routing info is incorrect, or the receiving bank is holding the funds for verification. By the end of this, you'll know how tax refunds move through Cash App, how to check where your money is stuck, and what actually fixes long delays. Start by checking your IRS refund status. Cash App does not control tax refund timing until the money reaches your account. If the IRS is still processing your return, the refund won't appear anywhere yet. Next, open Cash App and go to your direct deposit or activity section. If the refund shows as pending, it means the funds are still in transit between the IRS and Cash App's banking partner. Now verify your direct deposit details. Incorrect routing or account numbers are one of the most common reasons refunds get delayed or rejected. Next, check if you used Cash App's account and routing number on your tax return. If those details were entered incorrectly, the refund may be held or sent back to the IRS. Now, check your Cash App balance history. Sometimes the refund arrives but appears as a standard direct deposit instead of a labeled tax refund. Next, look for IRS notification updates like sent or approve. Even after approval, banks can take additional time to release funds into your balance. Now make sure your Cash App account is fully verified. Unverified or partially verified accounts can experience delays in receiving large deposits like tax refunds. Next, check for account restrictions inside Cash App. Security flags or unusual activity reviews can temporarily hold incoming deposits. Now confirm your bank partner status in Cash App settings. If Cash App's banking partner is experiencing delays, refunds can slow down across multiple users. Next, make sure your app is updated. Older versions can show delayed or incorrect transaction statuses. Now log out and log back into Cash App. That refreshes your account sync and updates pending deposit information. If the refund is more than a few days late after IRS approval, contact the IRS first. Cash App cannot release funds that haven't been sent or cleared on the IRS side. Then contact Cash App support with your deposit details if the IRS confirms it was sent. To sum it up, track your IRS status, verify your account details, and confirm your Cash App deposit settings are correct. Next, always fix routing issues before assuming the refund is lost or missing. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Cash App fixes, tax refund updates, and payment troubleshooting guides.